guys, Subby Pumpkin here. Today I want to say happy Easter to everyone, and today I'm going to show you what's inside my Easter basket this year. Happy Easter 2024. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get started. So we have Nutella. We have Peeps Delights. We have the cereal Bunny by Fruity Pebbles, cookies, and then an Easter Peep coloring book. So these go in, and there's this Easter basket, and then I have this one. This is a bunny. Colored pencils, jelly beans, a chocolate bunny, confetti eggs, Wonka candy, and a coloring book. So yeah, I hope you guys can like, comment, and subscribe. This is Easter basket is for my boyfriend. So yeah, and this one I made for myself. So yeah, so I have two Easter baskets. So I hope you like this video. Like, thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and peace. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye. Comment down below if you got anything for Easter, like a basket or an Easter egg hunt. Alright, bye.